all, welcome to KP's Our Health. Pain is an unpleasant sensation, but it is a very important protective mechanism by which our body tells that there is something wrong that's happening within our body. Because of our busy schedules or whatever may be the reasons, we are ignoring our minor pains and discomforts that we are experiencing in our day-to-day lives, which is leading in later stages to severe and chronic pains and other problems. So in this video, I would like to explain the pain mechanism in a very easy manner so that even a common man can understand it very easily. And I'll give you some tips how to manage your minor pains at your home in the early stages. So let's get started. When any injury happens in a particular region of your body, there will be some pain causing chemicals produced and accumulated in that particular region, saying that there is something wrong and it is painful, you have to attend to me and need to rectify this. In case our body is not listening to these pain causing chemicals or the minor discomforts or pain that we are experiencing, the same region or our body starts producing more and more amount of pain causing chemicals, which increases our pain severity, and not only the pain severity but also the territory of the pain increases. For example, let's say I started having neck pain. I didn't listen to my body, I didn't bother about what was happening inside, and I didn't do anything about the pain. Now there are chances that the pain is spreading towards my head or towards my shoulder or back region, because the amount of pain causing chemicals are increasing in quantity in this particular region, because that was not addressed in the initial or early stages. This is how your pain severity is increasing, and also the area where you are experiencing the pain also increases. So what can be done about these minor pains and discomforts in the early stages? So number one, protect and relax that region where you are having pain. Do not strain it too much. Number two, do not do any movements repeatedly which are causing pain. Give them some rest. Number three, use ice packs or heat packs which are easily available in every house and are natural painkillers. Number four, if your pain is not reducing by your home remedies, please visit a physiotherapist. We as physiotherapists will use manual therapy to mobilize your joints or realign your joints, exercise therapy giving you different stretches and strengthening exercises to relieve the stress in particular regions. If required, we also use electrotherapy to relieve your pain immediately and give you some rest in that painful region. We also give home exercise programs that can help you with specific exercises related to your problem, so that next time you get similar pain, you can manage it by yourself at your home. And make sure the source of your pain is being treated, not just the pain. That is how you get rid of the pain in a long run. If your pain is very severe, consult a doctor who can help you with the painkillers so that your pain is coming down. Hope you understood the pain mechanism. The basic reason behind making this video is to tell you all that do not ignore your minor pains and discomforts in the early stages. Treat them in the early stages itself so that you do not end up in severe or chronic pains in the later stages or any other severe problems. Spread the word, make everyone understand that you have to take care of your pains in the early stages itself. Wish you a speedy recovery from all your pains. Subscribe to KP's Our Health. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you.